Now, do you have a drawer full of pastels, and when you take out the pastel box it looks something like this or like this? It's pretty embarrassing, and I've had that problem as well. I like painting with pastels, but I'm not looking after them, and that's a bad thing because these little pieces of gold are really expensive. So finally my art supplier had a pastel box, and I'm going to show you why a pastel box is a good idea if you paint with pastels. Let's have a look. Now, the answer to this nightmare is this. This is the Mont Marte pastel box, the signature pastel box. It's made of wood, but it's quite inexpensive. Nicely made, 3 drawers, and should have enough space to handle the few pastels I have. And you can pull these drawers right out so you can work with the pastels, get them quite easily. And the bottom drawer you can put a few other materials. So when you're faced with this mess, let's try to organize them into something a little more civilized and show that I actually care for my art materials. I'm going to roughly organize them in some sort of color coding and all the tiny bits in the little drawer in the middle. And that's it, really. You can line them if you want to with paper or perhaps baking paper or something like that so it doesn't stain. I've got a few other in the drawer at the bottom, and that looks much better, I'm sure you agree. So get yourself a box like this if you can and get your pastels back in order. And remember, subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty of more reviews coming up in the future. Until next time, happy painting and cheers for now.